Honey, I only have one thing to say when our lips meet in a kiss. I know you are looking at my message. I will wait for it. Honey, I lost my mobile, which is why I lost everything. Honey, I know you are looking for me. Honey, for the sake of the children, when we need you back, honey. Since I lost your contacts, I have been miserable looking for you every day and night. Honey, if you see the message, text me. I miss you so much. My love, loving you. I feel like I am in heaven every time I spend loving you. I will die the day I stop loving you. You are my greatest love. Will always love you. So keep that sweet smile on your face always. I will always choose you, no matter what, and I will never stop doing that. I am so grateful to have you in my life because you are everything to me. You are my love. You generally have been and consistently will be. You are the best thing I've ever experienced. Can't stop smiling because you make me so happy. I wouldn't be complete without you by my side. I want to always be by your side because you gave me life the direction it needed. You have shown me the best love. I am indebted to you for your unwavering love. Your presence permits me to grant even a listening times you we shown me vigorous help, and with you I face every day boldly at the end of their life's road. I am certain that there will be a brilliant light, my queen. I adore you. I can't even begin to express what you have done for me by smile entering my life as a lover. You acquainted me with the gnony significance of affection in any event, drawing the most obscure of days. You have been there for me when I was weak, helped me up when I was down, and held my hand every day as I walked the path of life. You are a glory gift, and I am so enamored with you. Your love resembles a delicate breeze on a radiant day, continually helping me to remember that magnificence in this world. You are my light, my affection, honey. Now that my uncle know about us, my family loves our relationship and in how happy we are going, honey. But I we lost touch with you. Please text me when you see that I sleep and wake up and think of you. When go to the office and come back, I think of you. When I go to a meeting and come back, I think of you. Who are you to me? I love you so much. Darling, if you can understand me, I dream of being the one who makes you smile and control smile, but you are very important to me. It's like giving to a sugar addiction that I will never overcome. When our lips meet in a kiss, I can't stop thinking about your lips because you are the most precious trait to me. You have touched my heart in ways I never could have imagined. My love, your presence and strength truly inspire. Thank you for being by my side. My face lights up with joy at the more thought of you. I am inspired to fearlessly pursue my dreams by your intelligence and ambition. I will always be grateful to you as my source of motivation. Your love uplifts my spirit and makes my heart happy like a gentle breeze on sunny day every day. You push me to be better person.